If you like to have high-speed serve, don't miss this video. Jump serve needs to good throw and proper timing. The ball must fall down 1 meter into the volleyball court. Throwing the ball. Throwing should be with the right hand. Throw the ball so that it's rolling. The first step starts with right foot. First step right, second step left, third step right, and last step left. Common mistakes. The elbow should not be bent when you want to throw the ball, and also the elbow should not close to your body. Keep the hand straight to have a good throwing. Don't throw so that the ball is behind you when you want to hit the ball. Do not throw the ball in the other direction, because the possibility of serve failure increases. The throw should be facing the right hand. If you want to have a good jump serve, do these exercises. Do a lot of throws behind the serve line. Count your steps to have no mistake. Stand inside the volleyball court, throw the ball and hit it behind the attack line.